Kapag mababaw lang ang ating paningin, mabilis tayong mawawalan ng pag-asa. Saan nagsisimula ang pag-asa? Kapag tinitingnan natin na ang lahat ng bagay ay bahagi ng mas malaking plano ng Diyos para sa atin. There is where hope is born. And so today, my dear brothers and sisters, the invitation to each one of us is very simple. The invitation is to be deep, not shallow. Maging malalim na mga Kristiyano, hindi mababaw. To be shallow, to be a shallow person is to judge instantly. To be deep is to understand patiently. To be a shallow person is to see the mistakes of others. To be a deep person is to see the woundedness that causes those mistakes. To be a shallow person is to value things, but a deep person values persons. A shallow person asks, "What will I lose?" A deep person asks, "How can I love more even though I may lose many things?" A shallow person sees problems, hardships, and difficulties and loses hope. A deep person sees that everything falls within the plan of God for us. Let us be deep persons, not shallow ones. Huwag maging mababaw, maging malalim na tao at Kristiyano.